Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what the system actually sees. Run xrandr and note names, resolutions, and whether Hdmi2 is active. This tells you the exact identifiers. Once done, make sure you have sudo privileges and the physical cables are secure. If you need to swap which port is primary, prepare desired mode numbers and keep a copy of the current xrandr output. That preserves a rollback path if the change misbehaves. Now perform the hands-on switch. First, turn off Hdmi2 with the xrandr output Hdmi2 off command to free resources. Then enable Hdmi1 using mode and add primary to make it the main display. If you need it arranged relative to the laptop panel, add left of or right of and the internal output name. Once enabled, test windows, full screen video, and mouse travel to ensure the mapping meets your intent before making changes permanent. Finish by making the configuration permanent. Place your working xrandr sequence in ~/ xprofile or create a small systemd user service to run at login. If the monitor's edit prevents the right mode, generate a model line with CVT, add it with new mode and add mode, then reapply. If anything goes wrong, revert using your saved original xrandr output or boot into a safe session and undo the commands. That single troubleshooting tip, keep a rollback copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.